Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about adding and subtracting decimals. Let's begin. In first example, we have 8.8 plus 8.27. How are we going to approach this? Very simple. You're going to use standard algorithm that you know, but the only difference is that you need to make sure that you're going to align your decimal point. You see what I've done here? I aligned my ones with ones, decimal point with decimal point, tenths with tenths, etc. Okay, I have 0 plus 7 is 7, 8 plus 2 is 10, so write down 0 and 1 on top. Align the decimal point, and 8 plus 8 is going to be 16 plus 1, 17. And your final answer is 1707. Let's go and do another example. We have 35.9 plus 21.6. How to do it? Use standard algorithm and align your decimal point. 9 plus 6 is going to be 15, so write down 5, 1 on top, 5 plus 2 is going to be 7, and 3 plus 2 is 5. And final answer is 57.5. And let's do last example or adding. And now let's do our final example when we add decimals. We have 136.04 plus 73.9. Standard algorithm, align decimal points. 4 plus empty space will stay for 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 9 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 10. Write down 0, 1 on top, and 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. And my final answer is going to be 209.94. Let me show you an example how you should not be doing. Let's take the same thing, but do it in the wrong way. Here you see that I did not align my decimal points, therefore I got completely different answer. That is wrong. So make sure whenever you add or subtract decimals that the decimal point is aligned. So ones go with ones, tenths go with tenths, tenths go with tenths, hundreds with hundreds, and hundreds with hundreds. Whatever. Okay, and now let's subtract. In this example, we have 11.8 minus 9.02. Here, we would need to regroup. So 8 turns into 7 and 0 turns into 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 0 is 7 and 11 minus 9 is 2. And my final answer is going to be 2.78. What did I do? I again did the same steps as I did when I was adding. I also used standard algorithm and I also aligned my decimal points. I regrouped when it was needed. Let's do next example. 7 minus 3 is 4. 3 minus 4, we cannot do that. Therefore, we need to regroup. 2 turns into 1 and 3 turns into 13. 13 minus 4 is 9 and 1 minus 0 is going to be 1. And my final answer is going to be 1.94. And let's do the final example for this lecture. 25.09 minus 6.7. 9 minus 0 is going to be 9. 0 minus 7, cannot do it. Need to regroup. 5 turns into 4 and 0 turns into 10. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 7 is going to be 3. Now 4 minus 6 cannot do that. Need to regroup. 2 turns into 1 and 4 turns into 14. 14 minus 6 is going to be 8 and 1 minus 0 is going to be 1. And the final answer is 18.39. Let's recap. When you add or subtract decimals, you need to use standard algorithm and make sure that your decimal point is aligned. If it's not aligned, it's not going to work. Gonna get the wrong answer. So I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, you gotta let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.